Okay everyone, okay, I have taken these four colors. If you are able to see, yellow, teal blue, deep brilliant purple and orange. I have taken these four color and I will do it on my background. And what you have to do, you have to take fine brush, a flat brush and a water. Both you need it here, and see properly how you have to do. Firstly, dip your brush into water to make it moist, because if you will use a dry brush you will not able to do. So use it little bit moist, having it water in that, but remove extra as well, not too much water needed. We need just a moisture in our brush. Now take a yellow color and apply it here like this. Okay, now apply it here randomly, you have to apply. There is no worry. And if you are not having these four color, it's fine, you can use any four color or any three as well or any two as well, it's your wish. So now I will wash my brush and will take blue color and apply it. Fine if color is coming on the molded, because you have to do another color on that. Now I am done with teal blue as well. It's a very simple and easy thing that anyone can do. Now I have washed my brush again. Now I will take deep brilliant purple. Now apply it. Apply where you want, no need to worry. Okay, now I will take orange color. I am doing this mistakes because you will not get worry about this. So no need to worry, you can do this and you will not need to worry about this, that your color is coming on the top. So do in free work, free mind. As you are able to see that my also color is coming on the molded, but fine. Okay. Now what I will do, if you are having sponge, then very good. If you are not having any sponge, you can use any cotton or any fabric. To what do you have to do, taking a clean water or a simple this water and just spread it on that, on the canvas like this. Okay, if you are able to see, I have spreaded all the color on the canvas. Now if you are having sponge, then good. If you are not having, then fine, you can take cotton, okay, or any cloth. Now do like this, or roll. The what you have applied, it will get mix with each other. If you get need of using more color, then use it. Okay, you have to make a watery effect like this. If you are able to see, change the side of your sponge again and again so it will not get messy. Okay, now I will take again color, a pink color. I will take a brilliant purple, sorry. Okay, now a yellow, orange I am having much, so I will not use orange, and teal blue color. Now do it. If you are having another sponge, do with that. And let it dry. I will use dryer to make it dry properly. So wait. Now I am using dryer. So it's already little bit more have color, not dried properly, but I have to apply more color because to make it more brighter, and I want a teal blue color in this. Okay, and I will take this brilliant purple. Here I will apply orange to make it more brighter. Okay, water will give a watery effect as well. It will make more beautiful to your painting. So I am taking another sponge, and it's a dried now. Always change the side of your sponge while doing dabbing because it comes dark tone, so need to change. You can do on this Ganesh as well. So I told you now, no need to worry. Now I will take color with sponge and will apply on these sides. The space you left with side here, you have to apply it there as well. Okay, take another color and apply it. We will make it more brighter. Just wait and watch. It's looking a little bit dull now. It will get more brighter. Now I will take brilliant purple in my palette, oh sorry, in the in the cap, and a yellow, and we'll take it you have to change the color again and again to make it different color, right? And I will take yellow now on other side, and we'll do on this side. If you will having any doubt while doing this now, just message me, I will clear it. Okay, just watch this video properly, then start it. If you will do it again and again, and with watching video now, it will not able to get an idea of that what you are going to do, because it's already changed fully. Okay, and I will take a sponge from the yellow side, and we'll take color and we'll apply on the top like this of the Ganesha. Like this. Hope you are able to see properly. Yeah. Okay. Now I will again do a dryer. We'll do drying. I will dry it properly. If you are not having dryer, it's fine. Let it dry naturally. It will look more brighter. Just wait. Okay. Now I will take again a sponge. Okay. And apply color. Firstly, I will take yellow color. Okay. Now I will take orange color. Now I will take this brilliant purple. You have to do dabbing, okay, like this. Now I am left with teal blue. I will take fresh sponge I have used and it's dried. No, I will not use this. Where is my sponge? Yeah. I will use teal blue color. And will apply blue color. Now I will do it on the edges. If you are having pearl color, a golden color for with you, you can apply that as well. If you are not having, then use glitter. If you are not having glitter as well, then use yellow color. Where to use, I will tell. Okay, I have used dryer to dry it properly. Now it's dried now. And now if you are not having golden color or any pearl color, then apply a yellow color, the portion I am going to do. If you having golden, then do golden color. If you are not having golden and yellow color as well, then apply glitter. If you are having, I think a yellow color all of you having, and just apply that. But I will use pearl color, golden pearl. This is a metallic pearl color. Okay. How to apply? There is no need of any brush or any sponge. I will take the color and with finger I will apply like this. You have to take a color and then you have to apply with finger like this. On the top. You have to apply it with dabbing. Why? Because if I show you, when I will apply in this portion now, you will see that the line is coming, right? You will see the line is coming on this portion after applying. If you will apply with dabbing, see the no line is there, it's applying very properly. So apply it with dabbing. On the top only. Okay. Now the last step we are left with. What is that? Anyone? That is eyes. Oops. Okay. Hope you are liking it. Now I will clean my finger. Use tissue or whatever. I have dried it properly. Now I will use black color and a 000 brush. How to take a color? Just see. Just dip your color 000 or 0. Just round it. You will get color on the brush. Okay. If you're not clear, then see it again. Now I will make eyes and this part and eyebrow as well. Now I will make eye. Now it's completed. Now hope you like it. Bye bye.